sister's home in Searchlight, Nevada. This is where I might want to come one day to retire. Some big hill. The weather's nice. It's about 50 some. There's her house up at the top. And when I'm here, I can't really work out the way I want to, but all I gotta do this hill a couple of times a day. She's got a little treadmill outside, and then we go walking in the mornings. Okay. And she's 3,500 feet up in the mountains. I just like being out in nature. Yep. I'm breathing heavy, but it's good for you. This is her backyard. This is her backyard. There's a little home. That's a real mountain. They carved her home. When she bought it, it was like this already, so only I don't know how they did it, but her home is lodged inside a mountain. The side of a mountain. This is her backyard. Okay. And her neighbors are below. Somewhere there. And this is the little town of Searchlight, Nevada. See some people. Way up yonder is where we went walking this morning. This is her backyard. She's proud of her roots. She's been living in LA and then here in Searchlight for about 10 years, 5 years now, and she's got Arroyo Roma. That tells you guys where we're from. Okay. They're retired now, so they're living the good life. And when they're not here, they're traveling all over the world, which is something I want to do. Don't tell them, but that's why I come visit, so they can take me on these cruises. That's the hill. I don't know where Willie got this from. Hello, Mr. Sir. Alanese is her last name. Willie. Okay, I'm gonna go up. It says welcome, Route 66. Let's see what surprises I find over here. She doesn't know I'm out here. She doesn't know I'm taking a picture, a video of her home. So anyway, this is the mountain that is carved. Let me see. This is a real mountain. And somehow they built the little home into, and there's a room. Let's see if I can get back here. There's a room. Let's see. And you can see. Oh, let me see. I know I'm not. So I want to get up here. There's a way to get on top of the roof. Let's see. I used to do this, but I'm not 10 anymore. I can still get on top of the roof. There we go. Oh, Lordy. I'm on the roof now. Take a deep breath. Look at this beautiful view. Wow. They better hold me. This is I-95. You take that, you see those cars? You go to LA. I better get down because it's pretty windy. There's the rest of Searchlight. See how the mountain, this is a real mountain, and her house, she bought it like this already. It's carved on the side. I don't know how they did this. This is Searchlight. the time comes to call it a day. See, here's the mountain right here. It's just amazing how they did this. Searchlight, Nevada. Vegas is about a 45-minute drive from here. Later on tonight I will post